GM Chads and Degans, welcome to today's automated crypto news flash. This AI-generated video will provide you with a brief overview of the most recent developments in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin's market dominance has reached 54%, its highest level in over 2.5 years, as it approaches the halving event scheduled for April 2024. The Bitcoin halving event reduces the mining reward per block, which, in turn, affects the supply of Bitcoin. This reduced supply can lead to a bullish trend in Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's market dominance measures its market capitalization relative to the entire digital asset market, and a dominance above 50% is considered highly bullish. This increase in market dominance coincides with Bitcoin's recent price surge, from just below $27,000 to a new yearly high of $35,000 in October 2023. In 2017, Bitcoin had a market dominance of over 80%, but it has decreased over the years due to the growth of other cryptocurrencies. This article has been published by Cointelegraph.com. Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of FTX, testified in his fraud trial, deflecting blame to his deputies and admitting mistakes were made, particularly the lack of a risk manager. He also revealed that he asked Alameda Research, a hedge fund he co-founded, to hedge its risks. However, when questioned if Caroline Ellison, head of Alameda Research and his on-and-off girlfriend, followed his advice to mitigate risks, he responded with, "No." His testimony aimed to present a more favorable narrative for his defense, shifting blame to former colleagues for implementing features related to Alameda's risk management and positioning. Bankman-Fried also discussed other aspects of Alameda's operations. This article has been published by CoinDesk.com. WisdomTree, with around $94 billion in assets under management, plans to introduce more digital funds to its blockchain-enabled consumer app by the end of the year. The company aims to solidify its first-mover status in tokenization and expand its offerings. They launched WisdomTree Prime earlier this year, providing access to digital funds and other assets on blockchain platforms like Stellar and Ethereum. They plan to add a money market fund to WisdomTree Prime and offer 3 digital funds under the WisdomTree Siegel brand. Additionally, WisdomTree aims to add features like debit card connectivity and peer-to-peer functionality in the future. Alongside these efforts, the company is working on launching a US Bitcoin ETF, keeping an eye on regulatory developments in the area. This article has been published by Blockworks.co. Tether, the largest stable coin, is planning to enhance transparency by releasing real-time data on its reserves in 2024. The decision to provide more transparency was made as Paolo Ardoino took over as CEO. Tether has faced criticism and regulatory scrutiny regarding the transparency of its reserves, leading to a $41 million fine by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, in 2021. The lack of transparency extends to various aspects of the company, including its structure, board of directors, and public offices. Tether's move to publish real-time reserve data is seen as a significant step toward addressing these concerns. Despite its controversies, Tether's circulation continues to grow, with its latest quarterly financial attestation reporting $3.3 billion in reserves and a market capitalization of $83.9 billion. This article has been published by CryptoDaily.co.uk. Arbitrum Orbit, an Ethereum scaling solution, is set to launch on the mainnet, allowing developers to create customized chains that will settle onto Arbitrum's Layer 2 chains, such as Arbitrum One, Arbitrum Nova, or testnets. With over 470 deployed apps and a TVL of $2.73 billion, Arbitrum is one of Ethereum's prominent scaling solutions. Developers using Arbitrum Orbit can access the Arbitrum Nitro stack, configure privacy, permissions, and fees on their chains, customize their stack, and connect with various data providers while utilizing Arbitrum's other tooling. Additionally, they can front-run DAO governance with certain features. This flexibility offers various options for creating and governing chains, depending on individual needs. This article has been published by Blockworks.co. That's all for today, folks. If you liked this crypto news flash, consider helping out the channel by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. All links to the articles mentioned in the video can be found in the description. Please remember that this video is provided for informational purposes only and not intended as investment, financial, or other advice.